Hi Jeff, my name is Megan and I spoke with Kayla at your office on last week, I believe it was Thursday. And she told me to go ahead and send you this email with this video. It's a quick website audit, just giving you website tips, showing you where your company is ranking currently on Google, and a few specifics on how to beat your competition online. So the three things I'm going to go over with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the home page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like painter, Fort Worth, Texas, or Dallas house painter, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. Now, looking at your website, I really like the home page. Love that you have testimonials here. That's always a huge plus. And then, of course, it looks like you guys also have some good internal linking here. So let's see, can I click on these? Yes. Okay, so then I go to the separate service page. So internal linking is really great to have, where we can jump from one page to another. If someone is looking for, interior painting specifically, then they could obviously click here and get to that page. So that's always really helpful. The main tip I would want to give you here is you're going to want to try to get up to that 1,500 word mark in content, because it looks like you guys are short on that. Testimonials don't count towards content. So mainly what content you have right now is just this little box right here. So in order to get the keywords that you need within that content, if you were to get to the 1,500 word mark, the standard rule of thumb that we tell our clients to use is one keyword phrase for every 100 to 150 words. So you'd be looking at anywhere from like 10 to 12 keywords is what you'd want to strive for, placed organically throughout the content here on the home page in order to help this home page to rank higher on Google. Now, I see that you have different service menus here, which is great for your residential and your commercial. Now, having a non-clickable menu with a drop-down is really helpful too. So each of these service pages, as far as content goes, the number of words that we strive for here is 500 words. And anywhere between 3 to 4 keywords spread organically throughout your content would be a good number to strive for here. So I really like that you have pictures also. Before and afters are always best. If you can add more, the more the merrier. So, but each of your service pages look good. I like how you have them all split up. And then, of course, you have your recent projects over here, just kind of showing people, and they can, click and go see more. So this is all really, really good. I like how you have an About Us page. Just helps to build trust with your prospective clients and really helps them to see what your company is about and what they'll be getting by working with you and choosing to hire you for the projects that they have. So that's all really great. My main tips for your site are honestly just improving the content and then, getting those keywords in there. So the next thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. The thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest in a way, because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, a painter's blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you, or a popular website that features various types of home improvement, home services, that would be another good one for you. Something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs, and I went ahead and put your website in up here. And it looks like you guys have 577 backlinks right now from 82 different websites pointing back at you, and then 77 for your organic traffic. So this is measured over the last 30 days. So you've had 77 website visits in the last 30 days. Now, I went ahead and put in one of your top competitors in the DFW area, DFW Painting. And it looks like they have 951 backlinks and 269 website visits within the last 30 days. So a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have and then continue to keep adding more and more, so you'll end up surpassing them while gaining more power to your site, more organic traffic, and of course a lot of new customers will go along with that. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. If someone's needing a service now, mainly what they're going to do is probably the first thing they'll do is go to Google and type it in, so painter DFW. Now, a lot of times they see these businesses pop up in the Google My Business local map pack. Usually it's 3 businesses, this one's an ad, but they see these businesses pop up and they think, okay, I don't know why the San Antonio ones are popping up. Let me make sure we specify here, Dallas, Fort Worth. Okay, so they see these businesses pop up and they think, these are the most reputable people to use. They have ratings, they have reviews, why not go with them? Now, the reason they're ranking at the top here is not necessarily because they're the best in the area to use. It's because they have the most citations. And citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories, such as Yellow Pages, Research Giant, and other online directories like that. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in the exact same directories as these businesses are listed in. And then you add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. So what's going to happen is over time, you'll end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack. You'll be ranking at the top, getting all of that new business, and you'll just keep adding on more backlinks and more citations and continue taking on more website visits, more calls, more customers. So here is my website, and this is my company, Lobo Leads. This is my phone number. If you have any questions after watching the video, I'd be happy to answer those for you, or just, if you have any feedback for me, that's always really appreciated as well. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.